Sarah loved being there for her kids, but when a tax letter arrived, her heart skipped a beat. Tom, who earned a little from freelancing, realized he needed to lodge his tax return, and fast. Mia's cupcake business was booming, but she had no idea how to declare her side income. Jake tried to research online, but the tax jargon made everything more overwhelming. Each stay-at-home parent had the same question: how do we lodge our tax returns without the stress? Then Mia found taxrefundonspot.com.au simple, affordable, and made for busy people like them. In just minutes, Sarah set up her account and started her return, no confusing steps. Tom entered his extra earnings easily, with clear instructions every step of the way. Mia uploaded all her business expenses, no stress, no paperwork piles. Jake got instant advice through the website's live chat, no confusing calls or waiting on hold. Before they knew it, their returns were lodged accurately and professionally. Thanks to taxrefundonspot.com.au, they could focus on what truly mattered: family, fun, and a bigger refund. Stay-at-home heroes, your time is precious. Lodge your tax return online the smart way at taxrefundonspot.com. Fast, easy, and stress-free, just the way it should be.